What's good, YouTube? BTC the Villain back with another unboxing. Something from the Warriors team store. So y'all remember I unboxed the jersey a couple months ago. It's turned out to be defective and fucked up, and I had to return it. And I bought another one to see if this would turn out better. So without further ado, just gonna... Alright, so as you can see, I bought the... Oh, so they did get it right this time. As you guys can see, I bought the Warriors, the town jersey. And it looks like they got it right this time. The whole graphic. See, like they didn't cut corners on the front graphic. The front logo, they didn't cut corners on it like they did on my the Bay one. I bought the Bay last time, I bought the town this time. Cause I mean shit, I wanted both, but you know, I can only get one because I guess they ran out of stock on the Bay. So here's the town. The town, if those of you who don't know what the town is Oakland. The Warriors play in Oakland, so that's that on that. As you can see, it's like a dark gray, white and yellow Nike check, yellow. Oh, I still don't know how to pronounce that. Rakuten, whatever that is. The oak tree. That's what that is. It's an oak tree. So that's an oak tree, number 12, because the shit I said it before, I'll say it again. I wanted to get a Warriors jersey, but I didn't want to get nobody else's like number on it. So I had to make sure that I wasn't stealing anyone's number. Like I had to make it my own number. So I went with number 12. I wanted to go with number 11, but you know, Klay Thompson. So. And here's the thing for the Nike Connect. I can't use it because I got a 6S. I ain't got a 7. And then it's a size 52. For those of you who don't know, it's an extra large. And on the back, it has my last name and then number 12 again. NBA logo right here. See the tags. So, you know, I'm actually very excited. Like they got it right this time. Like they finally got it right. Cause you feel me? They fucked up last time. So shit. And I mean, that's pretty much it. Just a little quick little unboxing thing for y'all. So like, comment, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Peace.